Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, October 15, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, October 15, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng October 15, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, October 15, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for October 15, 2025, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, October 15, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.